Use diagrams or the description of equivalent ratios to show that the ratio 2 to 3, 4 to 6, and 8 to 12 are equivalent. So I'm going to start by drawing a 2 to 3 tape diagram to compare that ratio. And in each of those, I would need to place 1 for it to equal 2 and to equal 3. I can do a 2 to 3 tape diagram and fill them with 2's, and that will give me 4 here and 6 here. So the reduced version of that ratio is 2 to 3. And we can do the same thing for 8 to 12. Instead, I would need to fill them with 4, because 4 plus 4 equals 8. And 4 3 times is equal to 12. Since they are the same amount of boxes, those ratios are equivalent to each other. All we would have to do is reduce these values to get to 2 and 3. But we can tell that they are equivalent just by the number of boxes. I have 2 boxes in this one, and this one, and 3 boxes in these.